Looking for a highly capable, well-equipped SUV crossover? You've come to the right place. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X in bright white. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, sport hood, 20-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, power liftgate, steering wheel mounted shift levers, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, blind spot monitoring, remote start system, heated seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, dual-zone temperature control, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, and so much more. For more details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3118A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.